أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Let's resume our session now from this point. I think this was the slide our session was over at. What?
Nonsense.
Nonsense. No. Nonsense
Poem.
is always
Humorous.
humorous. The first thing. And second thing, that the characters which are mentioned in this
Poem.
they are silly.
Silly.
Different roles. No?
Yeah.
Doctor, corrector. Student, a corrector there in the society. Success is a corrector. Failure is a corrector. Sounds clear?
Yes, sir.
So all of these characters. The day we start story, I shall explain in detail what the character is. We shall discuss all these things in detail: character, characterization, and art of characterization. And the actions which are shown in this poem, they are also
Nonsense.
silly.
Silly.
Nonsense is a poem
Which?
which is humorous, first thing.
Yes.
Number two, characters are silly. Number three, actions in the poem
Silly.
are
Silly.
silly. Sounds clear?
Yes, sir.
It is meant to be fun. This poem, Nonsense, is written with the intention to provide the reader, the audience, the hearer, the listener with fun. Sounds clear?
Yes, sir.
Nonsense is a poem
Him.
which is
Which is
humorous. Number two, its characters and actions are silly. Sounds clear?
Yes, sir.
Number three, that its purpose is to provide the reader with
Fun.
Fun.
No clear?
Yes, sir.
Which poem we are talking about?
Nonsense.
Nonsense. No. Just like other poems, no, it has its no rhyming pattern, etc. No. It can be written as a limerick. We have discussed now what is limerick. No.
Limerick.
What's that?
5 line.
We discussed it. No.
Yes.
Remember?
Yes, sir.
Oh, now as another form of poetry.
Poetry.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So we can see nonsense in different forms
Forms.
as far as the lines are concerned, as far as
Concerned.
the rhyming pattern is
are
concerned. Mostly it resembles limerick.
Limerick.
See, nonsense poem, no example, no. Topic, nonsense.
Nonsense.
Idea, nonsense.
Nonsense.
Actions,
Nonsense.
nonsense. Sounds clear?
Yes.
What a nonsense action this is, kissing a frog,
Frog.
with the intention, that this kiss, shall turn the kisser into a princess
Princess.
or into prince, See, that's not exactly what occurred. What was expectation? That the kissing shall turn,
But would
the kisser into
into princess.
prince or princess, but the things are totally different. Not prince, but the kisser started croaking.
Croaking.
Sounds clear?
Yes, sir.
You know who croaks?
Frog.
Frog. So rather than becoming prince, the kisser became
No, for
frog.
Frog.
So which poem is that?
a prince.
Nonsense.
Nonsense.
Nonsense. No. Sounds clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes.
CSS 20 weeks, PMS 20 weeks, Judiciary 20 weeks, M English 20 weeks, IELTS 10 weeks, Creative Writing 10 weeks, Life Skills A1 4 weeks, English MDCAT 20 days, Interview 20 days, Day-to-day English Conversation 100 hours, OA Level 16 weeks, Skill to Read the Holy Quran 100 days, Translation